Dear Diploma CET aspirants, today we'll see overview of computer science syllabus. As you know, Diploma CET question paper contains total 180 marks. Among 180 marks, 40 marks of science subject, 40 of math subject and remaining 100 marks for core subjects. Core subject, that is computer science subject, will carry total 100 marks. This syllabus for computer science have divided into different subjects. First subject carries digital and computer fundamentals, that carries total 10 marks. Then second topic, operating system, it carries 10 marks. Then third topic, programming with C, 20 marks, highest marks in this subject. And next topic is data structure using C, 10 marks. Database management system, 10 marks. The next topic is OOPS with Java, 15 marks. Design and analysis of algorithms, 5 marks. Network, computer networks and security, 10 marks. And last topic is web programming, it carries total 10 marks. Now first we'll see the first chapter, first subject, digital and computer fundamentals. In this we will be studying number systems and some basic gates of logic gates, then combinational circuits, half adder, full adder, then encoding method like encoder, decoder, multiplexers. Then we also see some basic concept of computer fundamentals like memory, input device, output devices, etc. Here most important topic in these are number systems, then basic fundamentals of computer system. Most of the time he set the question paper, he set the question paper from the subtopics like number systems and logical gates, then basic fundamental of computer system related to memory systems. Then second subject is operating system. This is very important topic. Again it carries 10 marks. He concentrate most questions from process scheduling. Process scheduling fetches more marks. Then in this same subject he concentrate more on the memory systems. Memory systems, paging, demand paging, then what is hit ratio, what is miss ratio, that all he concentrate in this operating system. But most of the time he set the question from basic concept of operating system related to process, then related to deadlock. Now next subject is programming with C. This is the highest carrying subject, total it carries 20 marks. This is compared to other subject, this programming with C is the vast subject. Here he covers basic concept of C programming, what are the variables, what are the identifiers, and what are the rules for framing the identifiers. Then we start with different type of statements, looping statement, branching statements. Then he moves to the functions. What are the functions, why we use functions, then different types of functions. And among these we have one more topic called arrays. Here arrays are very important. Then we have strings and preprocessor directives. Same from the same subject we have file systems, pointers, and memory allocation systems. He concentrate more in this subject related to basic concept, and he gives some program and he may ask the what is the output of this program, or he may give the some programs snapshot, and he may ask the what is the mistake in this program. Most of the time he asks the what is the output of the given program. You need to concentrate on this programming with C because it total carries 20 marks. Then next topic is data structure using C programming. Here it carries 10 marks. Limited questions we can expect from this data structure using C. He may ask the type of the data structure, then concept behind that data structure. He may ask the stack concept, he may ask the queue concept, he may ask question on linked list, trees, etc. But most of the questions will come from the stack and queue from this subject. Next important subject is database management systems. This database management system is very important because this subject again you will be learning in engineering also. Here he concentrate most of the time on the concept called attributes, then tuples, then he concentrate on the entity types, what are the entities, then he also frame the questions on different types of keys, and he may ask question on normalization also. We have different types of statements in database management system. Those are DML, DDL, and DCL statement. Simply he asks what is the use of DCL, what is the use of DML, what is the use of DDL. But he mainly concentrate on the basic concept related to database management system. Next, second most carrying subject is OOPS with Java. Total it carries 15 marks. In this we have different topics, very important topics. He concentrate mainly on inheritance. He concentrate on uh, he concentrate on classes, inheritances, then packaging concept, class and packaging concept, and threading concept. Most of the time we get questions from inheritance and classes and packages. This is also very important compared to your C programming. This is very brief subject, but we get more questions from this subject. Next is design and analysis of algorithm. It only carries 5 marks. Since subject is very vast, but we no need to read all the content from this design and analysis of algorithms. We have to extract or concentrate on only the few topics on this subject, like what are the different types of algorithm we have, then how do you find the worst case, best case, average cases, then how do you denote a symptotic notation like big O, big data, big omega notations. And if you know the concept behind the different algorithms, we can easily attend these 5 questions from design and analysis of algorithms. Next one more important subject is computer networks and security. Here in computer networks and security we have two subtopics. One is related to basic concept of computer networks and another is related to computer security. Now whatever the previous question paper I have seen, among 10 marks will you get around 6 to 7 questions from computer networks. Only you hardly get 2 to 3 questions from network security. We need to concentrate more on this computer network security because those are fixed questions and very interesting subject also. Next, last subject of this diploma CET is web programming. Again, this web programming is very interesting subject and it carries total 10 marks. Web programming covers different topics. Here we will be seeing some basic concept behind the internet, networking, types of network, what are the different browsers, client server model, then we use the some scripting language and some basic HTML tags. Apart from these, we'll be studying what are the details in XML and PHP concept he covers. Most of the time he set the questions from the basic concept related to web programming and HTML tags, and he also focuses on PHP. There are fixed questions from PHP. If you understand the concept of PHP, you can easily get full marks from this web programming subject. Thank you.